just going to simply cut right where that black line is. And we're going to make sure we insert that right in there. So there's corners that you can do, which is the L shape, and you can also do the T shape to connect 3 different corners together, which we've done in plenty of places right here. L shape, T shape.
Now, I don't know if you ladies are like me, but I am inspired. I feel like cutting them all up and putting them everywhere. What do you think?
Sounds like a great idea.
Welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel. Today we're going to show you exactly how to install LED lighting and how to control it from your smart home. I'm here with
Sheila.
And Cindy.
How are you guys today?
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Now, a great thing about this video is that we are going to actually be following along suit a similar one, but it's different. So what we had done in a previous video is that we had soldered 2 wires together and I had shown you how to do that. Now this is a takeoff on that. Now, as always, if you want to see previous content or be alerted of future content, you're going to want to subscribe. And how you do that is click on that bell icon up there and make sure that you are alerted for future content so you can get the latest and the greatest.
In this video, we're going to cut the LED lighting and splice around the corners and show you how to fit them under the cabinet.
So these lights here were sent to us from Lighting Ever. And the features that it includes is its working voltage is 12V. Our adapter voltage is 100 to 240. There's 300 LED lights that come with it, and it's also waterproof, IP65. It's 5 meters long, and it comes with RGB color. The life expectancy is 50,000 hours, and it's only $24.
These beautiful LED lights can be found on Amazon using the link below, as well as other connectors.
Now, speaking of connectors and speaking of where to find them, let's get started, shall we? We have them right here and I want to show you what they look like. So let's open the box without further ado, because I know you're excited to go in here. I sure am. Okay, so we got our adapter, we got our connectors, we got our power, we got the doohickey. This is the one that actually controls the color changing aspect. And here they are.
Wow.
I know. Okay,
Look
so
at
let me
those.
compare this. Okay, so these ones were bought locally. Now, as you can see, this one is every 4 inches. You have the cut lines, and we're gonna zoom in just to show you. Now that is every 4 inches. This one is every 6 inches. Again, so it's a little longer. And you know, some people prefer more length. Let me tell you, size does matter. This is every 2 inches. It gets more precise, because if you're doing this under your cupboard, your cabinet, anything, you want to make sure that you don't have all of that excess hanging off. You want to be as precise and close to the point as you possibly can. That's why the 2-inch job is where it's at. All right, so now we're going to do a comparison of the different variations in length. This one here is our 4-inch. As you can notice with the cut lines, every 4 inches. This one here, greater length, every 6 inches. And then for our newbie on the block, it's every 2 inches. So as you can see here, every 2 inches. And that is going to allow for an even more precise cut. So now we have the cutting ceremony. This will allow us to move on to the connections. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut along the cut lines here and voila, that easy. Here we are, next stage.
So now we're going to be cutting in between the letters and this light right over here. I'm using an X-Acto knife. You can also use a box knife, or you can even use a steak knife here. And just going to simply cut right where that black line is. So now that we put a little slit in there, we're going to just peel it right off. Okay, so we have that there. So we're grabbing our connectors, which I've already opened up. We're gonna slide it right in here. You'll see it fits perfectly. All right, so then we snap that into place. And now we can put in our L shape here. It's just for our corners. Slide that into place. Snap that in there. So now we got our second connector right here. We're gonna slide that one and fit it right in. Easy as that. So what you wanna make sure you do is there's the letters written right here and it says plus 12. So you wanna make sure the plus 12 is running only on the top, not at the bottom. And we're gonna make sure we insert that right in there. There we go. Snap those two into place. And there we have it.
All right, I'm excited. I mean, after all of our hard work, let's see if these are actually working. What do you think?
Of course.
And
let's
really,
go.
it wasn't that hard at all. Wow! Christmas came early.
Exactly. And you can actually change the colors there.
Oh,
Cynthia.
let's see.
You know, you can change it to red.
Oh. Now, I don't know if you ladies are like me, but I am inspired. I feel like cutting them all up and putting them everywhere. What do you think?
Sounds like a great idea.
I'm getting a little scissor happy. It's amazing what scissors and sisters can do when they're very inspired. Anika, what did we create here?
Well, normally we wouldn't create a pattern like this, but we're just having a little bit of fun. We just wanted to show you guys that there's different options that you can do here. So there's the corners that you can do, which is the L shape, and you can also do the T shape to connect 3 different corners together, which we've done in plenty of places right here. L shape, T shape, T shape. So you can see it looks beautiful.
So those corner ones are also referred to as the 90-degree angles, which is pretty neat. And as you can see, it seems like somebody's having a lot of fun.
A lot of fun. I've got the controller trying to keep it under the radar, but you caught me there, Cynthia.
So we can get creative with the routine, and we can even call on our friends to help us establish this with the Z-Wave and the connection to our phone or anything else. Let's see this in action, shall we? You want to take it away?
Alexa, turn off the strip lights.
Okay.
Wow.
So now let's turn them back on. Alexa, turn the strip lights on.
Okay.
Now yet another way to turn on and off our fabulous LED lights is through the smartphone. So we've actually configured it to the My Home setting, which you can peruse on our links below. We do have access to our previous videos where we've shown you how to set that up. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna press on the off switch and that will actually turn off your device. And now I'm gonna turn it on just to show you how easy it is. We have a set in the garage which brightens everything up. We also have an outdoor set under the gazebo. It's perfect to brighten up the area and to change the color depending on our mood. An inexpensive way to lighten up the party. Now you can actually check out the description below on information on where to find these.
Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click on the links below to get your very own LED lights and to shop around. You want to get these before Christmas, is that right? Yes, yes. All right. Take care.